When you have a contract with OpenAI or Anthropic or whatever it is, you're doing it very consciously, right? You're going through deep legal and vendor reviews. You're putting structures in place. You can have separate infrastructure. You can have separate how you put contracts in place and how they use your data to then train their models and then benefit other customers or competitors. So you can put a lot of clauses in there to limit that sort of spread of that knowledge. But when it comes to, let's say, the open source bit, well, there's no one to have a contract with, right? That's the whole point of open source. Where AI kind of makes it a little bit more challenging is ultimately the model reasoning pieces of it is still going to be a black box for you, right? You're not necessarily able to impact that. We know with DeepSeek, for example, it's producing a lot more or higher occurrence of insecure code that it's spitting out. It has a much higher occurrence of bias, toxicity, as well as hallucination. We're considering a lot of how can we experiment with it and still take advantage of the cost effectiveness of something like DeepSeek, but then recognize that it has a lot of risks. It can send data back to China. That's a huge geopolitical risk for us. So how do we limit that by just doing it on our local machines?